This is Huanyang inverter and its manual. Following are keys for run, stop, up down, reverse, shift, function and scent. This is an inverter from another factory with similar keypad functions. It looks like almost the same with Huanyang inverter. It is sometimes very hard for customers to distinguish which one is Huanyang inverter, which one is not. Let's take apart the inverter and look inside. Huanyang inverter has 2 rows of terminals. But there is only 1 row for this inverter. Huanyang inverter has a big relay. However, this one is small. Let's continue. The main control board for 2 inverters are completely different. This control board is very simple. Huanyang inverter's control board has high integration in technology. This is a big difference between these 2 inverters. It is critical in where all functions, operations and fall protections concentrate. Huanyang inverters are of high technological content. However, this cheap inverter is very simple. Next, this is part for electric capacity. These 2 inverters are totally different in structure. Let's make a comparison of voltage transformers firstly. Huanyang inverter's voltage transformer is almost twice larger than this inverter's. Secondly, the current sensor. It is used to monitor the current when motor is running. Nevertheless, there is no current sensor installed on this inverter's board in order to save a big cost. The inverters also differ greatly in relays. This is high voltage power MOSFET for Huanyang inverter, but we can't find it in this inverter. This is charging resistor. Huanyang inverter's resistor is twice larger than this inverter's. This is optocoupler to drive IGBT. This cheap ordinary optocoupler is the same as the one on control board, which can greatly lower its cost. Huanyang inverter use expensive Toshiba TLP701 high-speed optocoupler. The quality of rectifier bridges are also very different. Huanyang inverter has over-temperature protection switch, but this cheap inverter don't have it. To sum up, this cheap inverter is visually very similar to Huanyang inverter, but it is far inferior to Huanyang in raw materials, technologies, costs, functional details and criteria. Nowadays, the internet provides customers with price visibility. When you think something is a little expensive, you should seek reason and value of it rather than blindly denying price. In any industries, big brands pursue quality and service. Weak brands compete on price. The comparison of these two inverters is a good example. Continuously pursuing quality, price and the best combination of services. Huanyang is always your best choice.